Hey guys, welcome to my channel Skies Trends. It's long time I didn't upload any video, so here is a video how to make a designer dupatta out of a simple chiffon dupatta which we usually buy from the market. So here is the dupatta which I had got. This is 2.10 meters and it has self floral designs in it and an inch of satin lace attached with it. Since I have to pair it up with a bridal gown, I wanted to make it little bit cozier. So I have got 3 inches lace, a stonework kundan lace to attach with it. So here is the view of how I am going to stitch it. So 4 corners with this 3 inches kundan lace I have attached. So I have sewn it and now I am going to further embellish with few kundans and pearls. So let me give you a outlook of this dupatta only with the lace. I have taken few half cut pearls and gold color kundans. It's purely your choice how much you wanted to decorate this. And in this dupatta I am already having a self design, so I am going to embellish this with the pearls and kundans. So if you don't have, you can simply keep a pearl in between and surround it with the kundans, whatever you have, whichever color you have or whichever pattern you want. So if you are able to buy the self embroidered dupatta, please go with that. So I wanted to keep this dupatta embellished with the lace alone, but still it is empty without giving a touch in between. That's why I am decorating it, and I am not going to decorate it with the full work which you can see, the florals and the leaf petals you can see. I'm going to make it little bit simple in between so that it can go with the bridal gown. So when you wear a cozy gown, you know, the dupatta should be little bit simple. So I am going to keep it bit simple, not much simple, bit simple. So first I am keeping a half cut pearl in between, and on each petal I am pasting the gold kundans with the help of fabric glue and let it get dry first, and then I am going to add on few more jardosi with that to enhance the half cut pearl which is kept at the center. So now I am giving the hand stitch with the golden thread so that the thread color is not visible. So just give it a round because the pearl has to be enhanced. So when you give the simple touch along with that, it will enhance the look of the pearl. So showing you one more time. So once it is done, I am also feeling that it is bit simpler than I thought. So I am going to embellish with few more stones but of another pattern. So I am applying the fabric glue around the flower and keeping the another type of stone here. So that's it guys, I have done it. Hope you all would have enjoyed this, and make sure that you design your own dupatta and get a good feel what I have got today. So leave a comment and hit us like button if you have really liked my efforts, and do not forget to subscribe to get my videos future notification. So see you all guys with yet another beautiful design of self-made. So here is a look of the full dupatta. I hope you all would have enjoyed it, and please leave a comment without fail how do you feel about this pattern. Thank you all.